In these lessons, I'm going to show you a method that you can use to identify intermittent battery drain problems. So this is where the vehicle will randomly wake up. Okay, there we go. So the vehicle has just woken up. We can see that we've got that really high drain now, 6 amps nearly. The problem that we've put on here is actually repeating quite often. It's actually a replica of a fault that I looked at some time ago. So what I've done is I've set up a little device on there to actually duplicate the fault that we had before. So I'm going to run you through a process which is going to help save you time in looking for what's causing this problem. Yes, you could just disconnect things and then leave it and see if you've found it or not. But that could take you weeks, especially if it's waking up after, say, an hour or so. You're going to have to disconnect a component, wait an hour to see if it found it. If it didn't, you're going to have to put it back in and then find something else. So ultimately, what we want to do is find out which control unit is causing the vehicle to wake up, okay? What we're going to do first is just set up the oscilloscope so that we can see the drain and catch a trigger an event of when it wakes up. And then we're going to take a look at the vehicle network to see which possible modules could wake it up. What does this network look like? Build up a topology, which you can see an activity for building a network topology in the Canvas and Networks course. The other thing to note is that our favourite cheat code for battery drain diagnostics, the thermal camera, is not going to help you in this case because we haven't got one component causing a consistent drain. What we've got is something waking up the vehicle. So ultimately, everything that turns on when the vehicle wakes up is going to warm up a bit. It's not causing the drain, it's a result of the vehicle being woken up. So we need to find out what's waking the car up, not necessarily the things that are turning on to drain the battery. So that's what we're going to go down the route of.